Guys, it's me, Stars of the Cats, of course. And I don't know who's that. We're gonna stay in the van because I'm going somewhere today. Let's do this. I'm going here again. Do you remember this is easy to open? Phew. There's a motor there. That was easy. That's my friend's uncle there. Look. That's my friend's uncle there. I don't know what he's saying. And I don't know where Ate Abby's mom going. It's raining leaves. Me, bring my slipper so I can walk everywhere I want. Please don't the girl up dingers in your goose. No, the same is the day. This is my pillow. I bring it because I was sleepy. Actually, it's so cute. It has a face. This is my favorite pillow in the world. Your face is cute. Look, Toddy. The Toddy is so cute. Shut your mouth. How about I just wear my bracelet? We're back in the van and I'm gonna sleep. Let's sleep for a second. A few minutes later. What? We're going now? We're going now? Ooh, Abay in the inches. A few inches later. Bye, Tadidi!
Balik kami.
Balik kami na.
Ako sa yung mama.
Matamis.
Bye-bye! The kid nothing goes nothing anymore. Who's zone? The same is them and everyone. Who's the kid nothing of nothing. This part is which part is pretty? This one or this one? Oh. Mariana, this part is pretty. You know that is someone Mary. Mariana cried. Mary never been scared to me. Mariana. Wow, I didn't see that. We should have a picnic there. Nay. Wait, I have to talk to my mom. Okay, bye. Okay, we're just talking to my mama. Yeah. Lain si Josh. He was sick before, but now he's not sick. But he still say, lain ako awas, but he wants to go home. Look. Do they go this far? Nay. I mean, Nay. Do Ate Abby and her brothers and sisters and brothers, do they go here to walk?
Yeah.
They only What do they ride? Huh?
Boss. Boss.
You someone just okay, guys. This part is pretty. You guys so windy today. The air smells good. I want to be. I saw the beach. Look, it's so beautiful. Did you remember this part? Wait, that was so cool.
May kilala lang ako. Yes, nasuran. Hindi na mo doon siya.
Teacher Betty!
Who's that?
Teacher Betty.
He's never been stupid. Mariana crossed and fused Guys, I have to pause this because it's robot. Okay, bye guys.